Can you believe 3 cars? And look at this: 79442, 88442, and my car 51442. All these cars came in for the modification on the same day.
Hello and welcome back to Dubai Desert Driving Etiquettes and Techniques. My name is Rahim Dad, and today I'm going to take you to creative ideas. So as I already told you, I am about to make modifications to my car. Out of these modifications, the major problems I see is having a skid plate is necessary. I need a good tow point and a flag mount. So this is what these people are helping me out with. Mr. Yasser, who is the uh, owner of this establishment, I will be shortly introducing you to him. But for now, here it is. So as you can see, Rizwan is the one who is assigned to my car, and he'll be helping me with a couple of things here. So he's the one who's going to be putting in the skid plate, as well as cutting off part of the front bumper to allow the tow hooks to be free, because right now the tow hooks are touching the front bumper. He's going to help me install a tow hook for the rear, because there are only tie down points in the back. And also he's going to help me install the flag mount. So I'm going to keep bringing you back as the work progresses. Just to show you that they're not only doing skid plates and flag poles or flag mounts and the tow hooks, but they're also doing these wooden drawers. There are other fabrication works, woodworks. They have creative ideas and solutions for each and everything. This is another exterior that they are working on, as well as doing some of the works on this Land Cruiser. So these processes are all computerized here, and they have machinery with programs to cut exactly the aluminum as required. These are 6 millimeters thick. So right now Rizwan is working on fixing a cross member, a cross bar, before he fixes the skid plate. This is to make it solid and for the rigidity. So welding on the cross member just to make sure it's nicely in place before he fits on the skid plate. So this is the frame, cylindrical frame that will go in, on which they will fit the skid plate. Time for the flag, guys. So Rizwan is now loosening the nut. So he can insert a piece of so this piece is going to be used for the flag. The plate is also ready, the skid plate. So they have just fitted the frame, and then this skid plate will go onto the frame. So I got a very good deal on it, and I'm gonna tell you all about it in a while. So now this is the recovery point, or the toe point, which has been removed. So the new one has to be done. So guys, one of the main flaws with the design of the Nissan Pathfinder front bumper is that the front toe hooks are so close to the bumper that when you try to pull somebody out, or somebody is trying to pull you out, tow you out, and you're using these toe points, then the bumper loses its shape, and eventually you end up cutting or breaking your bumpers. So they are cutting a hole in the point where the bumper is, hindering the toe point. So this way I don't need to put in a new toe point, because these toe points are really good. The only thing is the accessibility, so they're trying to improve the accessibility to this by cutting a hole around it. Just to give you a better idea, so this is the space around which is cut off to give me better access to the toe points in front. So this is the finished product. It's much thicker, much heavier than the original one, and this comes out all the way, so it's easier for me to use it as a recovery point.
So I suggest, I'm truly impressed. The more I spoke to Yasir, the more, he's impressed me with his knowledge, not only about engineering, not only about the ideas he has, but he is also a fellow off-roader. So I would really suggest if anybody has anything to be done, which is metal or aluminum fabrications, not just for your car, for anything, and especially if you have bulk orders, he is the person to speak to, he is the person to meet. And with this, I will end it here with a promise that I will be back with a lot more such content for you. So if you liked my content, please do like, share, subscribe, and I will see you on the next one.